Dear students, today we will discuss question number 15b from the exercise. In a certain examination, the percentage of passes and distinctions were 80 and 10 respectively. So we will write pass percentage is equal to 80% and the distinction are 10%. Estimate the average marks obtained by candidates, the minimum pass and distinction marks being 40 and 75 respectively. So 40 and 75 are the points on the x-axis above which 80% and 10% students will lie. The mean is in the center of the distribution, which is mu. So we will write mu in the middle of the distribution, and sigma is its standard deviation. So both parameters mu and sigma are unknown, and we have to find out these two parameters using the above two conditions, pass percentage and distinction. 40 is the minimum point above which 80% students will lie. So it should be on the left side of mu, above which 80% area lies. And 75 point lies on the right side of the mu, because above which 10% students will lie. So we will write here the 40 the minimum point and 75 the minimum distinction marks. 80% are the number of students who pass the examination, and minimum marks is 40. So the points above the 40, for example 45, 50, 60, 75, 80, 90, we are talking about percentage, then 0 to 100% are the total points on the number line, and passing marks are 80%. All the points above 40, for example, these are the 45, 50, 60, 70, 75, 85, and so on, are considered to be pass, but below are not. So the area above 40 is 80% or 0.8. The points are closer to 100, they are also as pass. So all these points using the red arrows are considered the pass students, and the percentage is 80%, and the area is right side of the, from starting from 40 up to 100. All the area on the right tail is 80%. Now t x greater than 40 is given as 80%. We shade the area above 40. This is the shaded area x greater than 40, which is 80%. We are pointing the distinction. The students who got distinction lies above 75. So blue arrows, blue lines shows that the students are above 75. If he or she is taken exam and got 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100 marks in the examination, they are considered as distinction uh, students, and these students percentage is 10%. We write the statement as x greater than 75 is equal to 0.10% or 0.10. So using these two equations, now you can solve these two equations simultaneously and get the values of parameters mu and sigma. Now we are going to discuss the percentile. The whole distribution is divided into 100 equal parts. For example, the area starting from minus infinity to specific point and using the lines 50 equal parts on the right side of the mean and 50 equal parts on the left side of the mean, and every part having the area from minus infinity to that point. So these arrows shows that the area starts from minus infinity to a specific point, and that point may be P1, next P2, P3, P4 and so on up to P99, and in the middle of the distribution there must be P50, and each individual part has 1% area. P1 has the area below which 1% area lies. We can find these values of P1, P50 and P99 using the equation Px less than P1 is equal to 0.01 because it's only 1%. So I can write it as 1%, which similarly we can find the other points. For example, x less than P25. So the area below this point is only 25%. So we can write it as 25%, which is equal to 0.25. Now we can find the percentiles using the same equation x less than specific point. It may be P1, P25 or P50, which is equal to 0.5, 50% area below this point. So we can write it as its value is mu, because P50 lies and so on. We can find the probability at point P99. So probability x less than P99, which is the last percentile, which is equal to 0.99 because 99% area below this point. And we can find out these points P1, P25, P50. These are the points on the along the x-axis.